Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to generate divergent bar chart in Tableau. For this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now we will select one variable from measure and one variable from dimension. I'll request all my viewers to kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this lecture series. So let us pick up segment from here and drop it in the rows. Let us pick up state from here and drop it in the rows. Now I'll select profit from here and drop it into the columns. So this is the zero axis line. This is profit, and this side we are having losses. Now I'll pick up the segment from here and drop it into the filters. I can activate either of them. So I'll activate, for example, home office, apply, click OK. Now I'll select ascending or descending. You can see here ascending or descending. And I'll activate the entire view. So the divergent bar chart is ready. In case if I want to see for all the segments, I'll activate from here. I'll click on all of them, apply, OK. And the divergent bar chart is ready. But it becomes a little bit clumsy. So again, I'll go here and I'll select only for one of them. Now, if I want to include one more dimension here, say for example, category, the options which are available is I can drop the category into the columns and my divergent bar chart will get bifurcated into three. The divergent bar chart for furniture, for office supplies, and for technology. This is the first option available. The second option available is I can pick up the category from here and drop it into the color. So I'll get a colored divergent bar chart. So here, red color is for technology, orange color is for office supplies, and blue color is for furniture. So this is the way you can generate divergent bar chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please don't forget to press the like button. You can refer my playlist in which I've already uploaded many videos of Tableau.